Today I'm going to talk to you about a spray system that we just recently installed on our New Holland 5070 baler. The reason I'm doing this video is when we started putting this together, we really didn't know how to go about it other than looking at some of our neighbors' setup. And I believe we got a pretty good system. I was going to share it with everyone because we only have about $500 in it, and some of the other systems I've seen has been over $1,000. So I'll just start up here at the top. This is just a normal sprayer like you get at Co-op or Tractor Supply. When you get your sprayer, make sure that it has a pressure gauge and also the ability to adjust your pressure, because that's going to be real important when you go to calibrate your spray to get the right amount of coverage for the tonnage of hay that you're baling. Alright, this particular spray tank came with enough hose to do most of our plumbing. We just routed our hose around the front, and when we have this attached, we use our ratchet straps to kind of hold it in place. But we're getting ready to winterize this, so I'm going to take it off when I get done here. But we run our hose to the front and down to into the side of the baler. I believe this baler actually had a hole already there, so we just drilled it and made it a little bit bigger. And we used these quick couplers on here off of high pressure, like you see on a pressure hose or high pressure washer, which makes it handy as far as getting your baler off and on real quick when you need to. And it also serves as a way to drain your baler. Say you get done baling and have 40, 50 gallon left in the, or not 40 or 50, but 15 or 20 gallon in it. You just go and put this in your tank, turn your sprayer on, and let it drain itself, so you don't have to lift it off there. And it's probably a good idea to put you a shutoff valve on here too, to keep it from running out all over the place. As far as the plumbing on the inside, was pretty easy. These fittings right here are high pressure fittings like you see on a tractor and trailer for air hoses. So we got some of those at a hardware store, and it's a good idea to use brass to keep most of this stuff from corroding and getting in your sprayer and stuff and your spray tips. But we got a T there and an L there, and kind of this 1/4 inch stuff works good because most of your spray stuff is 1/4 inch, so it all screw together pretty fast. The tips that we're using on this right here are green. I mean, I'm not no professional on tips, but orange was the finest that they had. Green was next. The green tips gave us, with 2 of them, 12 gallons per hour, which the preservative we're using is Hay Pro 2, and 26% moisture is what we were baling at, and that gave us pretty good coverage for that. For our hotline or for electrical, we use these gator clips. Makes it quick about getting the tank off and on real fast when you don't need to use it. This will attach up there, and we run our electrical through underneath here, underneath the bottom of the baler, and out underneath of it. So when you go to pivot your drawbar out, then it won't be getting pinched anywhere. But the hotline comes out right here with another gator clip, and we rigged up a harness right here to. This is just a typical road tractor harness that fits most John Deere tractors. I don't know if it fits all tractors, but it works good with John Deere tractors. Our hotline on our tractor was the center hole. It's a John Deere 6420. And this particular sprayer actually comes with an on and off switch, so we rigged this switch right in the middle of the harness to put in the tractor cab, so like when we're in and out of bales or in and out of rows, we can flip it off and on to keep from wasting the preservative. But all in all, we used it last Friday. Worked real good. Most of the hay that we baled was within that 22 to 26% moisture, so I cut some open a day or two later, and they were real cool inside, so apparently it works really good. I hope this helps. I know my dad and I are pretty proud of it for the amount of money that we got in it. The sprayer, I think the sprayer costs like $250, $260 at a Co-op or Tractor Supply, and we probably got another $50 to $60 in parts. So you go to compare that to what you find online, I think that's a pretty good bargain. All right. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks.